Yeah, so guys, earlier today, my driver got stopped due to the fact that I wasn't wearing a seatbelt. That was an interesting discussion that the driver and the police officer had. Yeah, so we're nearly there at the embassy. Yeah, actually this was the same location where we got stopped for the driving seat. We got stopped here by the police officer, and it was quite interesting discussion between the driver and the police officer. He did get his pen and notebook out, but then after a discussion, everything was sorted, and yeah, we were moved on. So we're nearly there at the embassy, somewhere here. Let me find. Do you want me to have a look?